In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your email address on Hostinger, whether you've changed your address for security reasons, are switching to a new provider, or just want a fresh start. Updating your contact email is straightforward. So, let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account. If you're already familiar with this, great, but if not, don't worry. Just open your preferred web browser, navigate to Hostinger's website, and find the login option. Enter your credentials, your existing email address, and password to access your account dashboard. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by your user-friendly dashboard. Next, you want to direct your attention to the account settings. You'll typically find this in the upper right-hand corner or along the top menu bar of your dashboard. Clicking on Account Settings will take you to a page dedicated to your personal and account information, where you can make various updates. As you explore the page, look for the section labeled Email Address. This is where the magic happens. You'll see your current email address displayed here. Click on the option to edit or update your email information. Once you've clicked, a text box will appear allowing you to input your new email address. Here's a quick tip. Make sure your new email address is active, and you can access it since you'll need to verify this change shortly. Once you've entered your new email, double check it. Accuracy is key. You want to avoid any typos that could delay your ability to update. When you're confident everything looks correct, go ahead and submit the changes. At this point, Hostinger will likely alert you that a verification email has been sent to your newly entered address. Now head over to your email inbox. Open a new tab or use your smartphone, whatever is most convenient for you. Check the inbox of the new email account you just submitted to Hostinger. Look for a verification email from them. Don't forget to check your spam or junk folders if you don't see it right away, as sometimes important messages can end up there. When you locate the email, open it up and follow the instructions to confirm the change. This usually involves clicking on a verification link embedded within the email. Clicking on this link acts as your final step in the process. It lets Hostinger know that the change was indeed authorized by you. After confirming, you can return to your Hostinger dashboard to verify that your new email address is now associated with your account. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your email address. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials.